Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia, near Metro Atlanta. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about what I do to try to manage my time. And this is something that any of us can do. And it's one of the things that I talk about in my 5 time sucks and how to overcome them presentation. And I've done this with various groups and I'm open to do it with yours. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So I started doing this a few years before and it's been a lifesaver. I use my phone's calendar feature to keep track of all my appointments, personal and business related. As you see here, I've got a PT appointment scheduled for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. followed by a hair appointment at 10 a.m. On the next screen, I will show you the details of my hair appointment. Okay, now one thing I forgot to mention is that I am using the iPhone, but I am sure this will work equally as well with Android. As you can see, we're in the event details of my haircut appointment. And what I like about this is that if you're adding this manually, once you start typing in the word haircut, it populates with the previous appointment that was in there. So all you have to do is to make sure that the date's correct and that you set the alerts. I usually like to set mine out 2 days and 1 day before, which I forgot to do on this particular one, which means I've got to go back and do that. But at any rate, I like having these alerts on because it helps keep you on track and so you don't do anything else during that time or forget. Now, that's adding it manually. Now, you can also go into your phone and use the email function to add it from the email. So that's what we're going to do in the next step here. Okay, so we are in the email app of my iPhone and I'm going to click on the Bookkeeping Clean and Simple link so that I can access the email to add the second Wednesday Power Hour email event into my calendar on my iPhone. Okay, so we are in the email message where I want to add this event. So I'm going to go down here to where it says create event, click on that, and that will take us to the next screen. Okay, so we are in the new event screen, and as you can see, the subject line appears in the top here, and also the dates that were in the email show up where they need to be. So we have to set our alerts, as you'll see on the next screen. As you can see, I've edited this event by editing the actual event name. I also added the virtual Zoom location. I also went down to the bottom and added the first and second days before alerts. And basically, I'm ready to go ahead and save this and put it into my phone. One thing I will mention is that you can also send out invitees, and you can do that through message or email. So I'm ready to go ahead and save this and go on to the next screen. And so now you should be able to see the saved event and it's ready to go. So anyway, this is all I have for today. Hopefully this will help you. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.